Series 20 Monster Jam Grave Digger. For Series 20, the poster is a picture of Northern Nightmare. On the back of the card, Grave Digger is in Retro Rebels. The other trucks in this series is Thunderbus in alternate dimensions. Big Kahuna is in Arena Favorites. We have Zombie with Boneyard Trucks. El Toro Loco in Sheer Madness. Wolf's Head in Arena Favorites. Grave Digger is in Max Contrast. Northern Nightmare comes back in Legacy Trucks. And Earthshaker in Showtime series. So let's go ahead and unbox this old school looking Grave Digger. If you bought the retro edition of the Grave Digger 5-pack, you would have gotten this truck from 1986. You can see it here on the run side. It doesn't have the Monster Jam logo on the left hand side of the truck. We'll have to see if in the singles if it does or doesn't. Now the bumper and also the motor is a silver or grayish piece, I want to say. The one that wouldn't open, the bumper is a different color and the motor coming out is black. So there are some differences in the singles which we're gonna look at. I wanted to show you real quickly 3 pictures that are on the back of the 5-pack of the Grave Digger. So you get to see what the truck looked like back then. You can see in the front it has a different color grille in the front, and the motor is black. So it's a little bit different. I'm going to go with silver. Might not be the correct color for it. That's the only word that's really coming to me right now. So let's go ahead and unbox it from 1986 Grave Digger. Here it is. The 1983 Grave Digger out of the box. It does have a wheelie bar. And we have dark gold wheels and the flotation tires. The wheelie bar is really, it has added a little bit more to it than just the other trucks. I believe it's because of the chassis that it is on. As you can tell, it's kind of like on a chassis that they have for the ride trucks. So let's go ahead, pop off this. Bring this up close so we get a look at what the graveyard design looked like back in the day. We have the stack lettering for the name for Grave Digger. They do have the Monster Jam logo on the side of the truck. I really like the handle for the door on it. Also some silver for climbing up to get up into the truck. There's that moon and also that house in the background there. Lot of stuff going on in the graveyard. You can't see too many of the tombstones, but still it is very nice. A lot of detail going on. Coming to the front now, we get that old look of the Grave Digger. Red headlights back in the day. What it looked like. There is the flame job up on the hood of the truck. Both sides, of course. Very nice. And it does have this silver piece here on the side of the hood. On the other side of the truck, it does have the Monster Jam logo. On the other side, with the other one that I showed you in the 5-pack, it didn't have it. And then the motor in the back coming out on both sides. It is a different color than the one in the 5-pack. Here in the back, we get a skeleton reaper and his reaping tool. And also on this side of the tombstone, we have Monster Jam. And on the other side, Spin Master. And we also have some lights in the back of Grave Digger, and the doors are on the truck. Wow, very nicely done for the Grave Digger. And then you see up top there, just plain. Very nicely done for the grave digger. Thank you for tuning in. Hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing.